Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Scrimba Fullstack. In order to do so, here we are at scrimba.com, and what we're looking for can be found here on the left-hand side. You can see the option that says full stack. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And full stack development refers to the creation of apps with persistent data storage, usually with an API and a user interface for web applications using technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So we're going to go ahead and sign in to get started. We'll go ahead and click on that. Whoops. We can either continue with GitHub, Google, or our email. We'll go ahead and use Google. And with just a couple clicks of the button, we are signed in, and topics, courses, and users you follow will show here. So we'll go ahead and follow Fullstack. And there we go. So now that's showing up there. And we'll go ahead and we can see here that we have a variety of courses: Intro to Supabase, Command Line Basics, Learn Express.js, Intro to SQL, Intro to Nuxt, Intro to Vite, Learn Next.js, or Learn Node.js. So those are all the different courses that you have available. Here we have under Lessons, nothing showing up there yet. Templates, nothing showing up there yet. I expect that we will find our lessons once we go through the courses. So let's go ahead and click on Intro to Supabase. And here you can see that we have a variety of videos that we can watch. We can hit right here to start the course. We can even follow that as well. There we go. Now we're showing up Intro to Supabase. So this is really quite nice. All of the different tutorials that they have that you have access to. And let's go ahead and let's see here. So it does seem as though the primary functionality here is going through these different courses. So if you are interested in using Fullstack, you can come here, you get logged in. We'll take a look here. We've got a new Scrim, start writing code and building projects. Let's try clicking on that there. And that's going to open up our window here, so we can go through these different tutorials as well. Let's go ahead and, okay, so these are programs that other people have already started. Okay, so these are different templates. Well, let's go ahead and head back here for now. And if you want to start a new Scrim, then you can do that. Start writing code and building projects, go through the different courses, and let's take a look at the pricing. So upgrade to Scrimba Pro. So we have the yearly, and with the yearly, you can save up to 6 months. So that works out to about $20 a month. And then for the monthly, you're looking at $56 a month. So they're definitely making it worth it to do the yearly subscription. It's quite a bit cheaper than that. So that gives you an idea of how to get started with Fullstack and Scrimba. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI tool recommendations. Go ahead and click on any of those to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.